lovely viewers, welcome to your own channel, EasySaminJewelery. I am here with you an elegant tutorial with multi-shaded different types of beads. We are today making very elegant earrings, very easy pattern, a very quick pattern, and it's very suitable for beginners. And we have started with 4 round beads, multi-shaded, faceted round beads, 3 mm. We picked 4 beads, and we, after making a double knot, we have started second round. We have added 1 cut bead. This is 2 mm bead, multi-shaded. All beads which we are using in today's project are multi-shaded. So we are adding each time 1, total 4 times we will add cut beads between our round beads. Now we have started next round. We are adding in this round teardrop shape, small teardrop shape beads, multi-shaded. We added 2 multi-shaded beads with 1 cut bead, 2 mm cut bead. Again we will add 2 teardrop shape beads with 1 cut bead. In middle of 2 beads there is a cut bead passing through previous round's cut bead. We are adding it. We have to add these beads 4 times. These teardrops will be added 4 times in this round. Very easy pattern, but very elegant, multi-shaded, lightweight earrings pattern. It's very quick and easy to make. It will take no time to make. Next round is started with 1 cut bead, 2 mm, 1 teardrop bead and 1 cut bead. Passing through 1 cut bead of previous round, we added it, and now the same process, the same beads, the same number we are adding. In this round we have to add 3 times. These beads we will add 3 times. Here we add it for third time, and now we have to start next step. We are adding these cut beads of multi-shaded. We have to add 10 beads here. We picked 10 beads, and we are adding 10, and passing from upper to lower we have to pass through 5th bead. Here from 5th bead we have to pass through 5th bead. From upper side we have picked 5th bead. We are passing through this 5th bead. In this way, a little loop we have made for earring wire, and now we have to add 5 more. 5 cut beads, multi-shaded, 5 more beads will be added here. We have to add these beads passing through 1 cut bead of previous round, and this is done. Now we have to make After adding this, we have to reinforce all these beads we added with air wire. We have to reinforce these beads. We are passing through different beads. In this way, we will make it secure. Very easy, very elegant, and I hope you would like to make with same color combination. And here I will remind you, don't forget to subscribe your own channel, EasySaminJewelery. And don't skip the videos clips which I edit in this tutorial video, and I upload from my channel EasySaminJewelery short YouTube shorts, short videos which are very short duration videos you can easily watch. So don't skip these videos to watch. Here we are passing through all cut beads we beaded here with air wire to make it secure, to reinforce all these beads. In this way, we pass through all beads, and now the last step we have to do here. The last step, we will make some finishing knots on back side of the earring. We have to make some knots, finishing knots, and then we will trim the extra thread. I used for this today's tutorial, this project, polyester thread, cotton thread, cause it is suitable for this project. So it is easily available at your home, and you can make easily with this thread your earrings. Elegant and very easy and very quick to make earrings project. I hope you would like it. So these are ready to wear. Here are the final looks of today's project. Elegant earrings are here for you. Multi-shaded. I used different types of beads in the same shade, and golden air wire make it very elegant. Multicolor, multi-shaded earrings. Very stylish jewelry. I hope you would like. And if you like it, so don't forget to subscribe your own channel, EasySaminJewelery. And follow me on Twitter and Facebook and Instagram. I will say bye now. Take care of yourself. Be creative and be happy. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.